Hello animal friends. Today we are going to look at a possibility that might happen in this world, namely changes in animals. Let's get started. Imagine a world where animals that are normally small and cute suddenly become twice their normal size. How would the ecosystem react to this profound change? In this video, we will explore what might happen if the size of all the animals in the world suddenly increased drastically and how this change would affect the environment and life on Earth. 1. Giant dominance in the sea and land. In a world where all animals become giants, dramatic changes would occur in the ocean and land. Animals that were previously predators, such as wolves, lions and sharks, will become giant, terrifying monsters, ruling the ecosystem as apex predators. This will disrupt the food chain and cause a decline in the populations of other animals that they prey on. 2. Ecosystem imbalance. This change in animal size will result in an ecosystem imbalance. With predators becoming giants, herbivores will be their primary targets. The population of plant-eating animals will decrease drastically, causing an explosion of wild plant growth and destroying natural habitats. Excess food for plant-eating animals will cause competition for resources and affect population dynamics. 3. Impact on humans. Changes in animal size will also have a major impact on humans. Giant animals can pose a threat to human life due to potential conflicts and security hazards. Natural resources used by humans, such as food and water, will also be affected by population changes and interactions with giant animals. 4. Changes in migration patterns and animal behavior. Larger sizes will affect migration patterns and animal behavior. Some animals may not be able to adapt to the larger size and have difficulty finding food and shelter. This can lead to major changes in reproductive behavior and animal ecology. 5. Pressure on resources and wildlife. With animals doubling in size, their consumption of natural resources will increase drastically. They will need more food, water and space to live and breed. The pressure on the sustainability of natural resources will increase, and wild animals may face difficulties in competing for enough resources. 6. Changes in community structure. Changes in animal size can lead to changes in the community structure of the ecosystem. Animals that are usually at the bottom of the food chain may experience population declines, while animals that are usually at the top of the food chain become dominant. These changes will affect interactions between species and the balance of the ecosystem. 7. Impact on plants and vegetation. Larger animal sizes will affect plants and vegetation. Giant animals will have a greater impact on plants and forests, creating cleared zones due to their feeding activities. This can lead to habitat degradation and threaten the survival of certain plant species. 8. Microclimate change. The larger size of animals can also affect the microclimate in a given environment. The activities of giant animals can affect airflow and heat distribution, which in turn can affect the temperature and environmental conditions around them. This can lead to changes in temperature and humidity, affecting other flora and fauna within the region. If all the animals in the world suddenly became twice their normal size, the Earth's ecosystem would experience major changes that cannot be ignored. The imbalance of the ecosystem would cause negative consequences to the environment and life on Earth. While this fantasy may be exciting to think about, it is important for us to realize the importance of maintaining the balance of nature and the environment that has existed for millions of years. By protecting nature and the environment, we can ensure the sustainability of life on Earth for generations to come. So that's our video today. Hopefully it can provide new knowledge for us about the animal world. Thank you.